Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a really quick video, a law of attraction video with a tip for you. So the reason I wanted to do this video is because it's probably the most asked question I get about the free guide that I've got. If you want to download the free guide, it's attractyourdreamstoyou.com. Sorry for the shaking, guys. Attractyourdreamstoyou.com. It will show you how I've used the law of attraction to manifest my dream car. So I tell that story. You can use it to manifest whatever you want though, so just bear that in mind when you're going through the guide. It will give you a simple step-by-step format to follow. Again, I don't claim to be a law of attraction guru or anything like that, but I have got results with it and you'll be able to see. And how I recommend you use the guide is just compare it to your own beliefs, compare it to what you think of the law of attraction, and if you're new, give it a go, okay? There's nothing in there that will hurt, okay, as long as you do it and you're obviously going for something that you want. I wanted to just touch on here the biggest thing, okay? So like I said at the start, how do you know that you're getting it right? Remember this, okay, because this is a big thing that I see people fall down on, and they don't get the results that they could be getting because they start off well and then they trip themselves up. And that's this: follow the guide and do all of this stuff, whether you do it from my guide or do it from The Secret or do it from Wallace Wattles or Bob Proctor, whoever you're following with the law of attraction, or maybe you're reading all of them and studying all of them, which is great. Remember to do it all with a sense of ease, okay? You want to do it with a sense of ease and well-being, because if you do it in a state of mind that's sort of really determined and really, I need to have money now and I need to have this and I need to have this, it's the wrong frequency of feeling. And what you'll find is that you don't get the results and you'll get more stressed and you try and put more effort in, and then it's a never-ending circle. So I suggest to you just to try. If you're not having success with the law of attraction, try it again from scratch. Use the reset method that I've spoken about here on the YouTube channel first. I find that really helps me, because if you're going for something that you want, normally there's some blockage there because you're aware that you don't have it, especially if you're going for money, okay? So do the reset method first and follow through, and just keep a sense of well-being as much as you can, a sense of ease, and that is really success, okay? If you had the things, if you could, like a genie in a bottle, okay? There's a song there somewhere. But like a genie coming out of a bottle, if you were to ask for something and get it instantly, you wouldn't be stressed about it, or you wouldn't be worried about it, or you wouldn't even be apprehensive. So if you're going to use these techniques, the success comes from a sense of well-being. Pretty much everything that you want in your life, you want because you believe it will give you an enhanced sense of well-being or fulfillment. So I suggest to you, and it's hard to do, and I fall up on it as well, I don't do it perfectly all the time, but try to do all this stuff with a sense of ease, a sense of well-being. And the best way to do that is to think about a time in your life when you did feel successful, or when you have achieved something, or when when you're sort of in the zone with things and everything's a well-being. So give that a go. I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense. I hope that's explained well. Do get your free guide. Attractyourdreamstoyou.com is the website. I'll drop the link below. Let me know what you think of it. Have a read of it. It's done by a series of emails. So you just opt in, you receive the emails every day and the little task. Really simple, but it will work as well. Or let me know your experiences. I'm interested. Subscribe to the channel if you love the law of attraction, just to share and help each other. You know, I'm not saying this is the only way you can do things. And have a fantastic Sunday. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.